Who doesn't want to smell like royalty, right? Here we have two fragrances, one which is bold, complex, and commanding, and the other that is luminous, sweet, and warmly welcoming. Starting off with Queen of Arabia, because ladies are always first. Look at how beautiful this packaging is. It's got amazing gold intricate details, and I absolutely love them. It looks so royal and beautiful. I love the colors as well. Ta-da! It's so pretty. So that's the main bottle. That's Queen of Arabia, and I've got 4 samples along with it: Radio, Eternal Oud, Nebras, and City of Arabia. So I can't wait to try these samples, and they're good size samples, so I'm happy about that. So when it comes to this bottle, it's as pretty as its packaging. It has absolutely love this crown. It's like crown jewels, right? So Queen of Arabia is a beautiful, warm, welcoming scent. As I mentioned before, it opens up with a salty coconut note, but then it has that fluffy vanilla scent to it. Queen of Arabia is a beautiful, elegant, contemporary kind of feminine scent. I mean, this is like your everyday, beautiful, warm, cozy kind of scent. It's very comforting to me. Beautiful. Longevity is very good with a well-balanced projection. So I would say it would easily last up to 8 hours. Now let's talk about King of Arabia. I mean, how beautiful is this packaging? It truly looks royal. Love the colors. It's so masculine. It has the same intricate details as Queen of Arabia, and the colors are obviously different, but this looks more royal for me. I just love being dramatic. So that's King of Arabia. And again, we have 4 samples. I really like this of Latafa that they're giving samples along with their perfumes. Mughal Fort, Khanjar. Oh, Khanjar, I would love to try this. Hayam and Nadira. So I don't know. I mean, I've never heard of these perfumes, but I would love to try them. The bottle is same as the packaging. And I absolutely love these colors over Queen of Arabia. Queen of Arabia is bright and pretty, but I just feel this looks really royal and beautiful, and same designs on the bottle and the crown rolling on top. So King of Arabia is a commanding oud fragrance with an exceptional depth, with a luxurious warmth and a strong longevity. This leather scent opens up to fruity notes with a deep, sexy dry down. This is really good for someone who's new to oud or who hasn't really experienced oud or who isn't a lot into oud. It's a little animalic, so that's why it's completely, I would say, a masculine scent. Though I think they do claim to say that it's a unisex scent, but it really leans more towards the masculine side. In terms of longevity, oh my god, there's an above average longevity which lasts up to more than 9+ hours, I would say, easily. I don't think that you require reapplication because this is really strong. So for me, both these scents actually rule their own empires because this is really bossy, commanding, strong, but beautiful at the same time. And this is amazing, cute, sweet, comforting, luxurious, and warm at the same time. These pieces are something you need to have in your perfume collection. So grab yours as soon as possible and let me know what your thoughts are on this.